Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can merge boards on Pinterest. So that's a very simple thing to do. First of all, open your saved or your profile page in the app. Then in here open any of the two boards that you would like to connect together. I'll go with, as you can see, I have two boards prepared for it, merge 1 and merge 2, so I'll go with merge 1. Well, it doesn't matter which board you choose, the only thing that it will change is that the preference for which board will be preferable in terms of it being secret or public, because let's say you're merging like one board that is private and one board that is public, so the new merged and jointed board will be secret or private at this scenario, so whatever. Let's proceed. So as I mentioned, enter any of the two boards that you wanted to merge together, go into board settings. As you can see at the boards options, you'll find the merge option, tap on it, choose what board you want to merge it with, confirm your choice, and that will be it. As you can see, the merge 1 and merge 2 boards were successfully connected or merged, and their pins or posts was put in a single folder or board, basically. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.